You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary many mispronounce in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. The largest of the falcon species, the bird of prey, Gyrfalcon, yet not gear, Gyrfalcon. Now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, it helps me immensely, much appreciated. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.